I was lucky enough to find Dr. Rockmore simply from talking to friends that I know who have had plastic surgery, and his name continued to come up over and over and over. So, and when I started my search too, he wasn't the first person that I came to, but immediately when I talked with him, I knew that this is where I needed to be. Yeah, trusted Dr. Rockmore immediately. Yeah.
And we first met in our temporary space, so you got a little bit of a different view.
I was completely happy when I walked in there too, and I didn't know it was your temporary space, and because everybody felt comfortable and nothing looked temporary at all. So I walked in and it felt like I was home. And from the people that greeted me to everybody that I spoke to was extremely welcoming. Just everybody was at ease, and I never felt like I was being judged, you know, because when you come in, it's a big personal decision that you're making. So they made me feel comfortable, and then definitely talking to you was nice because we just had a normal conversation outside of, you know, the technical stuff. So
Right.
Yeah, so that really made me feel.
I think it's hard to get people to start to talk and feel comfortable about the one thing that they're most insecure about.
Yes.
So, you know, hopefully when we started to talk that you felt more comfortable and could, you know, we could get through it.
Immediately, yeah. I mean, you weren't just speaking about that, and like you didn't act like, all right, this is just a person, this is just a surgery at all. Like I felt like you wanted to get to know me as a person and the person that you were going to be doing, you know, surgery on. So I was like, oh, this is great. We have a connection. So it wasn't, I just felt better after talking to you. The surgery day to the follow-up, everything. Yeah, I was just like, this is no, I mean, I don't know, I just had such a good relationship with my doctor. It's nice.
Well, it is a relationship. You know, I try not to lose sight of the fact that it's a tremendous trust, and I think it's an honor to have somebody, you know, give me that trust. So I don't take it lightly. And you know, for me, maybe it's, you know, one in thousands of a procedure that I've done, but for you, it's the most important day of your life.
That's exactly that's exactly what you said to me too. And I just was like, oh, this is going to be perfect. This is going to be good. No worries. There were no worries. I was interested in having originally just a lift, but after talking to you, I decided to go with a lift and an augmentation. Again, you were the expert, and you were the one who helped me understand that you could just do a lift, but you wouldn't achieve the results that you were hoping for. So that's when you helped me decide that the lift and augmentation would be the best.
Yeah, and I remember that we talked about the differences in that what the lift could accomplish versus if we added an implant. And people oftentimes hear the word implant and think big breasts, and you want it to be natural, which is what the vast majority of people that I see are.
Looking for,
Yeah. The goal is to make it look like you never met me.
To achieve what I was hoping for, you know, after years go on and children, and I just knew that, you know, I wasn't going to be able to help myself, so I had to find someone who could do the work for me. Yeah, help me out.